Hello mga ka-foodie and welcome to Foodie Louie channel. Today I'm going to cook Binagoongan crispy pork ribs. Here is our list of ingredients, which can be found under the description of this video. First thing we need to do after we prepared our ingredients is to fry the cubed eggplant on any frying oil. I use canola oil this time. The eggplant is like a sponge. It will absorb all the oil from the pan. But no worries, you don't need to put more oil as it will come out of the eggplant eventually. We'll cook the eggplant until they're light brown or half cooked. Do not overcook it. We will still cook the eggplant with the other ingredients later on. Once the eggplant are done, put them over paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. Next thing to do is to stir fry the baby pork ribs, which were cut into an inch length. These were pre-cut when I bought them from the supermarket. Fry the ribs on a low heat so they won't burn. Once they are golden brown, we will set them aside. Next is to saute the garlic using the leftover oil from frying the pork ribs. Cook for a few seconds. Add red onions. Add diced tomatoes. After a few minutes of sauteing garlic, red onions, and tomatoes, add a spoonful of shrimp paste. Once all the ingredients were sauteed, add the fried pork ribs and mix together. Add a half teaspoon of light brown sugar and a teaspoon of lemon juice, then mix it all together. Cover the pan and make sure the stove is on low heat, and simmer for about 5 minutes to incorporate all the flavors and cook the pork further. Next is add the fried eggplant and sliced serrano peppers. Stir all ingredients for about 2 minutes and it will be ready to serve. There you have it, guys. A simple and easy to cook crispy pork ribs binagoongan. Let's eat! If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.